Alright students, so this is our activity 7. In this activity we will be verifying our Pythagoras theorem. What you have to do is you have to cut out two right triangles. You have to pick out the right triangles in such a manner that if suppose this is my perpendicular, if this perpendicular value is 4, then another triangle's base value will be 4. So if this is my 5 centimeter, this perpendicular will be my 5 centimeter. Means we are basically changing the perpendicular and base value of both the triangles, and we have to place them in such a manner that their base will be touching. Means they are on the same base, like this, they're touching one another. Let's name them respectively A, this point where the meeting, P, this is B, this is C and D. Now what we will do is, suppose this value I have taken, we will find it later on. What we will do is, we will join these points, this C to D point, like this. So sort of a trapezium will be forming. This A, B, C, D is a sort of now trapezium, right? Such that this side AD you have taken parallel with BC. So we don't know connection between AB and CD. We only know that AD is parallel to BC. So what basically you're doing is, this trapezium ABCD is divided into 3 triangles. One triangle is this one. This is APD. This is again BPC. Another is this one, PCD. What you will do is, you will individually find AP. AP is my 5 centimeter, right? AP. Then AD. AD is my 4 centimeter according to the measurement I have taken. Then DP. DP we will later on find it. Then PC also we will later on find it. BP is my 4 centimeter and your PC we will find it. BC is my 5 centimeter. Okay, DP and PC you will measure by yourself. And one second. And I have measured my DP, this is 6.4, and similarly my PC 6.4 centimeter. Okay. Now what we will do is, see, to apply the Pythagoras theorem, first of all I'm picking out this triangle APD. I'm doing AP ka square plus I'm doing AD ka square. Means 5 ka square plus 4 ka square. 25 plus 16, it's 41. Then after do I will do under root of 41. Then doing this I get my under root 41. That value will be, comes out to be 6.4 approximately. Now this value is, isn't it equal to, will be your DP ka square, or simply you will get to find out your DP value 6.4. So means you have verified Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. Same way you will repeat this process for another, that is you will do BC ka square, that PB ka square. Similarly 41 will come. If you find 40 under root 41 value, that will be 6.4, right? And this is your value of PC, so PC ka square. So by this manner you have understood that by doing this, if you label it as A, this B, this as B, this as A, every time A square plus B square is coming out to be this C square, and this C square is 41, which is basically a side of this C. So that's how will you do it.